Have you ever looked at your skin and thought, I need to buy another expensive cream to fix this? Maybe you've tried different creams, serums, and skincare products, hoping they would make your skin brighter, cleaner, or help with those dark spots. But what if you didn't need to spend all that money? Because some of the simplest things for your skin might already be sitting in your kitchen right now. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple skincare routine using basic ingredients you can easily find at home, without depending on expensive skincare products. And if those dark spots keep coming back, we'll also look at what's really causing them. Let's start with the daily routine. First of all, cleansing. Cleansing is the first step because it removes impurities that can clog your pores and cause breakouts. A natural and simple cleanser can be made with honey and milk. Just mix 1 teaspoon of raw honey with 1 teaspoon of milk. Massage your face in circular motions and then wash it with warm water. Honey has antibacterial properties, and milk can also soothe the skin and help keep it moisturized. Now let's move on to the next step, toner. Toner helps balance the skin's pH. It can also make your pores appear less noticeable and make your skin look brighter. To make it, brew some green tea. After it cools down, mix it with an equal amount of rose water and pour it into a spray bottle. You can also keep it in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Green tea contains antioxidants, and rose water can also help soothe and moisturize the skin. Spray it onto your skin. The third step is moisturizing. Mix 2 tablespoons of aloe vera with 1 tablespoon of almond oil and apply it to your skin. Aloe vera moisturizes and soothes the skin, while almond oil also helps keep the skin moisturized. If you have oily or dry skin, first test it on a small area of your skin to make sure it's safe for you. This is your daily routine. But we haven't reached the most important parts of the video yet. There is a simple ingredient that can make a difference to your skin. And then we'll get to the main cause of dark spots. But before that, let me tell you about a weekly treatment. Once a week, you can gently exfoliate your skin. Doing it more often can damage your skin's sensitive outer layer. I've seen a lot of people overdo this. To do this, apply 2 tablespoons of plain, unsweetened yogurt to your skin for about 5 minutes. Then, wash it off. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which can help remove dead skin cells. It also contains beneficial probiotics. If you like, you can add a very small amount of turmeric to it. Well, now let's get to the ingredient I mentioned, rice water. Using rice water may help improve your skin's appearance and elasticity, making your skin look clearer and brighter. It's really easy to make. Wash a 1/4 cup of white rice well. Add 3/4 of a cup of water. Let it soak for at least 2 hours. Then pour the water into a clean glass container. But here's where a lot of people make a mistake. They think fresh rice water is the best. But the main point is patience. If you leave this water aside for 1 to 2 days to ferment, beneficial bacteria can grow in it, and its antioxidant content may increase. Then use it twice a week for about 15 minutes on your skin, and then wash it off. But now we come to the question I asked at the beginning of the video. Where do dark spots really come from? A common mistake many people make is thinking that only sunlight causes dark spots. But one major factor is aging. Melanocytes are the cells that produce melanin, the pigment responsible for your skin's color. So what's the real solution? It's not simply whitening your skin or relying heavily on sunscreen. Maintaining an appropriate vitamin D level, along with consuming foods such as you can eat milk, yogurt, cheese, eggs, chicken, fish, lentils, chickpeas. If you found this video valuable, then make sure to subscribe to support this channel and comment what you want next.